Get ready for a major shakeup in the world of smartphones. Samsung's plans for the upcoming Galaxy S25 series are finally coming into focus, and it looks like the company is making some bold moves. According to reports, Samsung is ditching the Plus model for 2025, leaving only two options, the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But why would Samsung choose to skip the Galaxy S25 Plus? The answer lies in consumer behavior. In recent years, those looking for a smaller device have opted for the vanilla model, while those seeking a larger device have gravitated towards the Ultra variant. As a result, the Plus version has seen dwindling sales. But that's not all. The differences between the vanilla model and the Plus variant have been diminishing with each passing year. For instance, the only notable differences between the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are the latter's larger screen, higher screen resolution, and bigger battery. The suspense is building. While Samsung's decision to axe the Galaxy S25 Plus may come as a disappointment to some, the rumor mill is abuzz with exciting news about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Get ready for a fresh new look and even more powerful chips that will take your mobile gaming experience to the next level. Rumors are swirling that Samsung may ditch its own chip in favor of a MediaTek one, a move that could be a first in the company's history. But that's not all. A recent report suggests that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip could be a game-changer, literally. With AI-driven frame generation technology similar to AMD's FSR and NVIDIA's DLSS, this chip is rumored to be capable of running Genshin Impact at a whopping 120 frames per second in 1080 resolution. That's double the frame rate of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. The future of mobile gaming is here. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is set to revolutionize the industry with its AI-powered frame generation technology. But will it come with a cost? Increased input lag and graphical glitches are some of the drawbacks that need to be addressed. Can Qualcomm deliver a seamless gaming experience with its upcoming flagship chip? The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is a beast of a chip, boasting custom Oryon CPU cores and an Adreno 830 GPU running at 935 MHz. But will it be exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra or available on the standard and Plus versions too? If the hype is real, we could see AAA gaming titles like Assassin's Creed Mirage and Resident Evil Village on Android devices, just like on the iPhone. But that's not all. Samsung is rumored to be giving the Galaxy S25 Ultra a major design overhaul, making it one of the thinnest devices since the Note 20 Ultra. People want slim phones that are powerful, fast, and have a long battery life. Can Samsung deliver? Recent leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will draw inspiration from an unexpected source. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.